Hello mga bay, welcome back to Gadgets Bay and my name is Alex. And first of all, thank you for watching my very first vlog which talk about why you need to choose SmartBro. But did you know there's a device that is 2 times faster than SmartBro? Yes. It's the new SmartBro LTE Advanced Pocket Wi-Fi. Yep. It's the new LTE Advanced Pocket Wi-Fi. And today we'll do unboxing of these devices and we'll also do a speed test to check if indeed it is 2 times faster or at least 2 times faster than SmartBro. And we'll also talk about the new GigaLife app, which when downloaded, used, is perfect for this new device. So, what are we waiting for? Tara, let's go! Alright, so it's time to do the unboxing. Not one, but two devices. Okay, so that's it for our unboxing. Now we have to test them and we will do the speed test. Okay, so we're back here again. Remember the last time we were here, we did a speed test and we got around 12 to 15 Mbps. So this time, same time actually, same place. And let's do a speed test of these two LTE advanced devices. And let's see if we can get double the speeds or more. Okay, so we're done with the unboxing and the speed test, and indeed we got double the speeds. We've got speeds more than 30 Mbps. So yep, the new SmartBro LTE Advance is really fast. So we all know that Smart LTE is fast, but Smart LTE-A is much faster. And this is all possible because of carrier aggregation. So this device, it has carrier or carrier aggregation. What it does is it combines multiple signals from different cell sites to give you that much improved data experience. So when you're playing or downloading, you do get much faster experience. Okay, so speaking of making your lives better, and if you already have that device, I suggest you download the new GigaLife app. So you can download it via Google Play Store or App Store. So what it does basically is, if you downloaded the app already, just click on it and it gives you your number, your load balance, as well as your usage. So how many MB you still have, and you can also avail of the different Giga offers. It's all here in the app, including the new Giga Pro. It's also available here. So you can buy load or reload from your PayMaya, or you can connect your account through your banks, or you can just buy load from your Suking Sari Sari store to avail of the different offers of SmartBro. Okay, so that's it for my vlog, and I hope you learned a lot of new things, especially with this new SmartBro LTE devices. So this has been your friend Alex. So please subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel, that is Gadgets by, and like this video and share. So until my next vlog, bye bye.